Did you know that cooking at home can save you money and improve your health? In fact, studies show that people who cook at home regularly consume fewer calories and have a lower risk of chronic diseases. Yet, despite these benefits, many of us find ourselves trapped in the cycle of takeout and prepackaged meals, often feeling overwhelmed by the thought of preparing healthy food. But what if I told you that unleashing your inner chef doesn't have to be a daunting task? Easy, healthy recipes can empower anyone, regardless of their cooking skills, to whip up delicious meals right in their own kitchens. Let's face it, the journey to healthy eating can feel like an uphill battle. We're constantly bombarded with images of gourmet meals that seem to require a culinary degree to replicate. Time is often our biggest enemy. Between work, family, and social commitments, who has the energy to spend hours in the kitchen? Then there's the knowledge gap. Many of us simply don't know where to start or what ingredients to use. And let's not forget the fear of failure. The thought of ruining a meal can be enough to keep anyone from trying. But here's the good news. Healthy cooking can be simple, quick, and incredibly rewarding. Let's dive into 3 easy, healthy recipes that will not only satisfy your taste buds, but also fit seamlessly into your busy lifestyle. First up, we have a vibrant quinoa salad. For this, you'll need cooked quinoa, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, bell pepper, red onion, and a handful of fresh parsley. Start by cooking the quinoa according to package instructions. This usually takes about 15 minutes. While that's cooking, chop your vegetables into bite-sized pieces. Once the quinoa is ready and has cooled slightly, combine it with the chopped veggies in a large bowl. Drizzle with olive oil, squeeze in some lemon juice, and season with salt and pepper. Toss it all together, and you've got a refreshing salad that's perfect for lunch or a light dinner. The beauty of this recipe is its versatility. You can add any veggies you have on hand, or even throw in some chickpeas for extra protein. Next, let's move on to a quick stir-fry. This is a fantastic way to use up leftover vegetables and protein. You'll need a mix of your favorite vegetables. Think broccoli, bell peppers, and snap peas, along with some tofu or chicken, soy sauce, and garlic. Start by heating a tablespoon of oil in a pan over medium heat. If you're using tofu, cut it into cubes and sauté until golden brown. If you prefer chicken, slice it thinly and cook until no longer pink. Add minced garlic and your vegetables to the pan, stir-frying for about 5 minutes until they're tender but still crisp. Pour in soy sauce to taste and serve it over brown rice or whole grain noodles. This dish is not only quick to prepare but also packed with nutrients, and you can customize it based on what you have in your fridge. Finally, let's talk about a delightful smoothie bowl that can serve as breakfast or a snack. For this, you'll need frozen bananas, spinach, almond milk, and your choice of toppings like granola, nuts, or fresh fruit. In a blender, combine the frozen bananas, a handful of spinach, and a splash of almond milk. Blend until smooth, adding more milk if necessary to reach your desired consistency. Pour the mixture into a bowl and top it with your favorite toppings. This smoothie bowl is not only visually appealing, but also a powerhouse of vitamins and minerals. Plus, it takes just minutes to prepare, making it a perfect option for those rushed mornings. Now, let's highlight a particularly impressive dish that showcases how easy and rewarding healthy cooking can be: the one-pan Mediterranean chicken. Picture this: juicy chicken breasts seasoned with herbs, nestled among colorful bell peppers, zucchini, and cherry tomatoes, all roasted to perfection in a single pan. The best part? It requires minimal prep and cleanup. Simply preheat your oven, season the chicken with olive oil, garlic, oregano, salt, and pepper, and arrange it on a baking sheet with the chopped vegetables. Roast for about 30 minutes, and you'll have a stunning meal that looks like it came straight from a restaurant. This dish not only tastes incredible, but also demonstrates that healthy cooking can be both effortless and impressive. In summary, we've explored 3 easy, healthy recipes: a quinoa salad, a quick stir-fry, and a delicious smoothie bowl. Each of these dishes is designed to be simple, nutritious, and adaptable to your tastes and dietary needs. By cooking at home, you're not only saving money, but also taking control of what goes into your meals, leading to a healthier lifestyle. So I encourage you to try these recipes, share your experiences, and let us know your favorites in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more healthy cooking content that will inspire you to unleash your inner chef. Remember, cooking healthy meals at home doesn't have to be complicated. It can be fun, fulfilling, and oh so delicious.